Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay guys, so in today's video, I decided to put together a dessert coffee bar. Come on with me guys. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while or even from the very beginning, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now, I love putting together my dessert and coffee cozy corner, and let me start out with what's already on the counter here. So I have the white florals in the back with the roses, absolutely love that. And then those two pumpkins, absolutely gorgeous. Those are some DIYs that I made. And then we have that beautiful candy corn machine that I got from Target's Dollar Spot. Now the two little pumpkins, the beaded one and that weird shaped one, those came from the Dollar Tree. Now this cute little vignette tray that looks like a little pumpkin patch, that came from Target's Dollar Spot. So as we're moving along here, those two pumpkin cups, I got those at Dollar General. And then the gourd, I got that from the Dollar Tree. Those absolutely gorgeous leaf spoons, I got that. It was gifted to me and they are gorgeous. And then I decided to go ahead and take one of those big doilies and fold that over to overlay on the tray. It looks beautiful. I also use the other one to place on the dish where I'm going to be displaying the cream carrot cake cookies. Okay, now I always decide to light a candle just to make the area look nice and warm. So let's head on over to the reveal, guys. I think this is a warm and cozy corner. It's ready for guests, and I know I'm ready for my dessert. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.